Airwallex has built a reputation for being a global financial platform that makes cross-border payments seamless and efficient. One of the standout features of the platform is its customer support, which has consistently impressed users with its responsiveness, professionalism, and problem-solving capabilities. From the moment I reached out to Airwallex, I experienced a level of support that felt both personalized and highly effective. The first thing that stood out was the speed of response. I contacted their support team via live chat regarding an issue with a payment transfer of $5,000. Within minutes, a customer support representative acknowledged my inquiry and provided clear steps on how to resolve it. Unlike many other financial platforms, Airwallex ensures that users are not left waiting with generic responses. The team demonstrated a strong understanding of the platform and offered practical, actionable advice rather than vague instructions. The interaction was also seamless across channels. I had initially contacted support through email, and the follow-up via live chat reflected all the details from our email conversation. This continuity made the experience feel cohesive and professional. Every member of the support team I interacted with was courteous, knowledgeable, and genuinely committed to resolving the issue efficiently. Within just a few hours, my transfer issue was resolved, and my funds of $5,000 were successfully processed without any further complications. Airwallex also followed up to confirm that everything was functioning properly and to ensure I had no lingering questions. This level of attention to detail and commitment to customer satisfaction is rare in financial services, and it reflects Airwallex's dedication to creating a frictionless experience for its clients. Overall, my experience with Airwallex customer support has been nothing short of exceptional. The platform not only delivers on functionality but also provides a support system that inspires confidence, making it an excellent choice for anyone handling international transactions or business payments.